In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or remove text from an image in Canva. This is a handy skill to learn if you want to clean up a design or remove unwanted text from an image. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by opening Canva on your device. Once you're logged in, load up the design that contains the image you're working with. You might want to take a quick moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since you last used Canva. Now click on the image that contains the text you wish to remove. You'll notice a border appears around your image, signifying that it's selected and ready for editing. Next, look towards the top of your Canva screen and find the Edit option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of editing tools that Canva offers. You might already be familiar with some of them, but the one we'll focus on today is the Magic Eraser tool, which is available to Pro users. So if you're using Canva Pro, you'll have access to this tool. With your image still selected, click on the Magic Eraser tool. When you do, you'll see some new options appear that are specific to erasing. Find the brush size option and choose a size that will comfortably cover the text you want to remove. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can adjust it later if necessary. Now position your cursor over the text on your image. You're ready to start erasing. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight the text. Essentially, you're painting over the text you want to remove, so ensure that all parts of the text are highlighted. This step requires a bit of focus and precision, especially if the text is surrounded by nearby designs, or if the letters are particularly small or close together. Take your time to avoid accidentally erasing parts of the image you want to keep. Once you've carefully highlighted the text, simply click the Erase option. Watch as Canva's Magic Eraser goes to work, seamlessly removing the text from your image. It's quite impressive how it can blend the image background, leaving behind no traces of the removed text. After the text has been removed, take a moment to review your image, check for any residual markings or issues, and if needed, make some adjustments. You can always use other editing tools to add final touches or repeat the process if you missed a spot. And there you have it, a simple way to remove or hide text in Canva using the Magic Eraser. I hope this tutorial helped you learn more about editing tools in Canva and that you'll feel more confident tackling your next project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.